I've been known to cut a little rug in my...
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Naomi, and I'm back again with another video. As you can already tell from the description below, we're about to get into the Savage Challenge, okay? First things first, like, learning the lyrics for sure will help you remember it. So from the beginning, hit the whoa. So while one is, like, literally, they're going in opposite directions. So while this one's going down, this one's going up. And it's like, it's like you're tearing a piece of paper, but with your fist balled up. And you kind of like, stop. So you don't fully tear the paper. You just, I'm a savage. And you kind of like, you add your little drip to it, add your little swag, get loose with it, okay? So I'm a savage. Clap. Okay? One hand on top of the other. Get a little good stance going on. So I'm a savage. Clap. Sway right, sway left, body roll, hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm a savage. Clap. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Clap. Okay? So after you hit the whoa, you hit coming into the clap, then you take your right knee, shift it to the right, you sway to the right, take your left knee, sway to the left, right? And then you take your right knee again, and then you come up and pop. Okay? So, okay. Right sway, left sway, roll, pop. And some people, when they pop, they just smack the side of their hip. So you can smack the side of your hip too. Just
boy, if you don't get
pop. So that will remind you to make sure to pop, okay? So let's start from the beginning. One more time. So I'm a whoa, clap, classy, bougie, small, clap. Okay? Alright, let's speed that up. I'm a savage. Clap. Sway right, sway left, roll, pop. Yeah! So let's try it again. So I'm a savage. Clap. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Clap. Okay? Then the next thing you do is sassy. So you're pumping with your right arm, and then you do the wave. Okay? So, sassy, moody, and then you roll again, and then pop. Pop, you could add your own little drip, like everybody's a little different, but they all come back to the body roll. Okay? The body roll and the smack, okay? So let's get it again from the beginning. Whoa, clap. Sway right, sway left, body roll, pop. Right bow, wave, body roll again, smack. Okay? So let's do this. Let's do it again. Let's do it with the lyrics in our head. So I'm a savage, clap, classy, bougie, ratchet, smack, sassy, moody, ratchet. Hey. Good. So let's do it again, y'all. For the people, slow it down if you need to. Trying to go at a good pace, but I also do know, like, a lot of us don't know the dance yet. So I'm a savage. Clap. Sway right, sway left, body roll, hip. Elbows, body roll, again. Smack. Wakanda, crazy hands. What's happening? Shimmy. What's happening? Clap, clap. I'm a savage. Okay? So, let's break it down. Bows, wave, body roll, smack. You come down with the Wakanda acting stupid. What's happening? Shimmy, shimmy. What's happening? I'm a savage. Okay? So, come up. So you're coming strong with it. So it's like a, so, you know, some of you ravers. 2 arms. Boom, boom. And you swaying your body. Left, sway your body. Right, okay? And relax relax with it. Be loose. Get loose with it. Okay. Let's do it again. Savage. Clap. Sway right. Sway left. Body roll. Elbows. Body roll. Again. Sway. Wakanda. Crazy hands. What's happening? Shimmy. What's happening? Clap, clap. I'm a savage. With the lyrics this time, okay? So in your head you can do it. So I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, nasty. Sassy, moody, ratchet. Acting, stupid. What's happening? What's happening? Yeah.
Let's go.
You got it. I know you do. I know you do. You got it. You about to go crazy to this challenge. I already know. So if you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're wondering how I got this hairstyle, the link will be below. I love you guys. Appreciate all the support. Let's run this.